Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have Word open and a backup saved, so start now. First, show non-printing characters to reveal extra spaces and tabs. This helps you see the problem. Then open Find and replace with Ctrl+H so you can act quickly. Use the spacebar once in Find to target double spaces. Use special codes for tabs T and paragraph marks P. Once set, preview a few replacements manually so you understand the effect. This step prevents accidental removal of intentional spacing. Now move into deeper cleanup with purpose. Use Replace All for double spaces repeatedly until Find returns 0 results. This collapses chain spaces quickly. Next, replace tabs T and non-breaking spaces, S, with regular spaces, then normalize paragraph breaks by replacing multiple P with a single P. For uneven runs, enable wildcards and search for 2 to collapse any sequence of 2 or more spaces to 1. This finds variable length, runs the simple replace misses, and keeps structure intact. Finish by reviewing the document visually with non-printing characters still on so you catch edge cases. Make sure to check styles. Spacing after headings or in lists may be controlled by style settings, and adjusting those will fix systemic gaps. If you encounter problems, use Undo immediately. If changes are widespread and wrong, restore the backup and apply more targeted find and replace operations on smaller sections. One key tip: test wildcard patterns on a small sample before applying to the whole file to avoid surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.